Sunday before the parade. Sunday before Labor Day parade. So I came out here to get my flizzag. It's my first motherfucking time going to Juve. I'm not trying to die because everyone knows Juve in New York is dangerous, especially Brooklyn. So yeah. So I'm not trying to die, guys. I know they're behind me. They not even going with me. Well, Tashana might go, but she playing all type of games. Tashana, you going, right? What? I like my life. I like mine too, so. Alright, no problem. See, I can't have friends because they be talking to strangers. And I don't got time because I shame people. Period.
Yeah, to answer them back.
Yeah, it's Brooklyn before they shoot you.
When you have a gunshot and Labor Day, you run. See black people run, you run.
You run. People be running towards the direction. I'm like, what the hell? But yeah, I got my flizzag, long flag for tonight. So, over and out. So it's 11:30. I'm here getting ready to be out. Just waiting on my cousin. She's coming over from Jersey. So I'm about to take a shower, get ready, and bounce. So I guess I'll talk to y'all when I get there. Out here.
You got this. Can you vlog me? I'm ready when you are. Oh, fucking
Listen, I think people should not take me out because I like to fight. And when I like to fight,
and
it's
we
not
the ones
pretty.
who's not sober. Listen to that.
And I'm so bumping each other. I'm vlogging. It's not Facebook, bro. This is vlog.
Hey, vlog.
I'm dead.
It's Juve 2K16. Remember that.
So it's 5 o'clock. I'm home. You won't see my face right now because it's super motherfucking dark in this place. I'm actually watching TV. I'm glad it's a successful Juvert. No one got hurt. No one got touched. We almost got into a fight though, but I guess I'll leave that for a story time or something. So yeah. I'll see y'all in the morning. Kisses. So I look extremely dread. Yeah. So today's the Labor Day parade, and me and my cousin's about to pop up. I'm very highly upset that I didn't get a costume, but next year, I promise myself I will be going to the one in New York and the one in Miami. So yeah, last night was okay for my first night. I guess I wasn't really looking for like to be in the crowd with the mix. So did my other cousin Diamond. So we just ended the night early, and I decided to just have my fun today. So I'm about to get ready, call Tashana. She lives right next door, so it should be a 1, 2, 3. And I'm still deciding if I should do like a Jamaican flag, like eyeshadow type color scheme. But yeah, I'll decide. So I'll see y'all on the parkway. All right, so here's baby cousin. Anyways, we on our way to the parade. I did my makeup, you know, popping. Tashana did hers. But you know, she followed me because I taught her since we was young. You know, all right, Tashana. Oh shit. I was tripped in the bag. Yeah, but I've gotten a lot of compliments on my makeup. So when I get there, I'll hit y'all guys up. But yeah. Scumbag. We didn't even reach the fucking parade grounds yet. We're almost there though. At least the What the fuck?
everybody. Together we whining, hold up the pumping, set it till the morning. Tell me how you feeling. You know why? All the way the carnival, all the way the festival, all the way the bacchanal, all the way when I you come back, take it, push up over, take it, push it back. Yeah, this hot and feeling. Come say hello to my people on this side. Come say hello. I want everybody to wave to Justine Sky. Justine Sky, wave your hands. Wave, wave, wave. Say hello.
Lemonade is still $1.
So we took a little ride. Tired.
Lemonade is still $1.
This dollar lemonade is lit. You want to go back?
Lemonade is still $1.
Put your good hand in the sky. 1, 2. Easy, Chipster.
Not respect love.
We are ready to sing the
All day I hear it, I didn't get to work.
If you know you gotta hate right, show me left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. If you're proud of your country right now, we need the flags up in the air.
This is the last of the fucking parade. My phone about to die. So what's up, guys, when I get in? Over and out. So we walking the fuck home. Party done. Party done. I don't know if you can see my face. I don't know. We out though. Excuse the sound of the TV in the background. Let me turn it down. Just getting home. It's 9:08. I'm here eating curry shrimp and white rice. I enjoy my time with my cousin, and I see a lot of people that shouted me out and said, "Oh, hi, whatever. That's Beautiful Rebel on YouTube," which made me kind of happy because I didn't really think my YouTube is that big. Especially when I went to Jamaica. Also, a lot of people recognized me and asked me about my channel and told me I need to upload more makeup videos and stuff like that, which I like. So yeah, I enjoy my day. My makeup is still on, still fresh. Yeah, so stay tuned for more vlogs and other videos. I'll try to get to doing story times and makeup vids. I really don't want to do makeup vids as of yet because I need a ring light and I don't want to give you bad quality. So yeah, thank you guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah. Okay. You might see me in the Ray-Ban. Man, I'm bad from day one.